Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I'm so happy to have you. Today, you guys, I have an unboxing of a little bit of PR, just a couple items from my absolute favorite skincare company, Drmtlgy. This is what we got. There's the brand. Y'all, this company produces the holy grail product for me, which is the moisturizer with SPF that I use every single stinking day. Every day. It is absolutely, I love this product. It has become my holy grail. I love it. So I want to show you what I got. I did just get a couple items in PR. I really feel so blessed and so thankful to be on their PR list. I'm also an affiliate, obviously, for them. I will leave my link down below. Let's just get right into it, you guys. It's just a couple items. So first of all, they sent me this great booklet, and there's a QR code on the back, you guys. If you use your camera, you point your phone to this QR code, it will take you to more information on their website. So I'm going to show it to you guys. You can screenshot it, okay? Hopefully that's enough time for you guys. If you want to grab a screen grab, you can do that. But they talk about the company. I'm just going to quick flip through this to let you guys know a little bit more about Drmtlgy. And again, the spelling is a little, you know, they took out a little, made it change it just a little spelling change. So they honestly, number one thing is they're all about taking care of your skin. Your skin is the largest organ in your body. Your skin is an organ, and it is the largest organ and the most important organ because it is the absolute barrier. It keeps bacteria out, viruses out, the sun out from all your very important internal organs. So it says, we believe all products should be backed by science. We also believe you don't have to sacrifice safety for providing skincare products that actually work. They follow two simple rules. It cannot be bad for you, and it has to work. So they strive to be better. They're always pushing boundaries. They're seeking to continuously innovate. They do say their first thing is SPF. They absolutely, wholeheartedly are concerned about sun damage, what it is doing to all of us here on this planet. So they say they take SPF first approach. This is the cornerstone to any great routine, skincare routine, and is the reason why they are the emerging leader in technology for sun protection. Y'all, their SPF, I am not kidding you guys. I love it. I absolutely will, even if I didn't get anything in PR, you guys, I buy it. I honestly, if I think I'm running out of it and I don't have a bottle ready to go, I get absolutely anxious. I get really concerned, and I immediately order because I don't want to run out of it, you guys. It is the most amazing moisturizer. It is a universally tinted SPF. It has a really good SPF factor on it, so we'll get to that. So they talk about some of the items that are somewhat newer to their line. They have their needleless serum. They have their vitamins C, E, and F, which is a combination. I am using that right now, you guys. I really like it. Their universal tinted moisturizer, which is the one I use every day. Y'all have heard me talk about it over and over and over again. It is absolutely my holy grail moisturizer for the day, and SPF. You guys have seen me use their pumpkin enzyme mask. I love it, you guys. And a little bit of this goes such a long way. It is such a great bargain. They have their night peptide cream, which I have also been using and love that as well. Their vitamin C5, I'm also using that, you guys. And actually, that little bottle might have just gone into my empties container. I think I've got a new one that I'm using right now. I am finally doing, you guys, I'm collecting empties. So I can kind of at some point either do a May empties or a May-June empties. I'm not really sure, but I am finally doing that. As much as I don't like to have all this stuff laying around, I decided I wanted to do that. So this is a really nice little pamphlet. It talks, like I said, not about everything they have, but it talks about some of their newer items. So that's really nice. All right, so let's see what we have. Packing material. Okay, what we have here is their pre-cleansing oil. It's called Renew. It's Prep Clarity. This is 1.9 ounces or 56 milliliters. Ah, that is awesome. I can't wait to try that, because I think this, you guys, is going to be a wonderful cleanser to break up makeup, moisturizer, SPF. Usually things like this that are pre-cleansing oils do a great job. Especially, I always get people asking me, what do you use to take off all the sunscreen? Because sunscreen usually is a little bit tougher to take off than just like a simple single little cleanser. And honestly, you need some sort of cleansing balm that is specifically made to kind of break up that stuff. So this, I can't wait to try that. So I want to say thank you to Drmtlgy letting me try that. This, y'all, is absolutely my holy grail. Y'all, I have never had a product that I have absolutely wholeheartedly loved and called my holy grail until now. I have been using this product for probably 2 to 3 years. I will tell you, I first discovered it and purchased it through Amazon. So these guys do have, they sell directly off their website. They do sell just a couple products on Amazon. Honestly, they were kind of treated pretty poorly by Amazon. I think it was like end of 2020 into 2021 or whatever, and they yanked all their products and stopped selling briefly on Amazon. I think Amazon had held on to some products there. I think they had, my friend Alexis from Modesty had tried this and didn't like it. I think she'd got an expired product. Amazon just like, I don't know how that all works, but I encouraged her to order directly from Drmtlgy, and she's been very happy, I know, with it as well. So this is the Universally Tinted Moisturizer. And I will tell you guys, it comes out, it is very much my flesh-colored flesh tone. And let me go ahead. I'm going to put this video on pause, you guys. I don't want to open this because I don't want it to go bad. I just opened a new one. I'm going to go ahead and grab that, and I'm going to show it to you guys with a swatch, okay? So hang tight, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm back. This is, I literally just opened this bottle this last weekend, so I've only been using this for about, I believe, 2 days. So brand new bottle. That's why I did not want to open that one. There's no sense in having two open. I don't want anything to go bad. So this is what it looks like. You can see I've been using it. It's a little dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys on my hand and show you the universal tint and how that blends into my skin. It is pretty translucent, you guys. This is definitely not opaque. There's not full coverage. It's quite sheer. This is what it looks like. And it is considered a universal tint. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start just going ahead and like, just going to let that go into my skin. You guys, it's so moisturizing. So can you see what I mean? How sheer that really is? That is why they do call it a universal tint. So you can still see the age spot or the freckles on my hands. There's very minimal smell to it. Honestly, it smells kind of like almost a mineral, just a pure mineral. This one is not a pure mineral SPF, and it is a moisturizer. So let me read you guys the ingredients on it, okay? And actually, I'm going to go ahead and look in their pamphlet and see what they specifically want you to know about this product. So this is a universal SPF or universal tinted moisturizer with an SPF of 46. So it is considered the holy grail of sunscreens. I call it my holy grail. Honestly, it's a moisturizer. It's an amazing moisturizer. It is an antioxidant-rich SPF 46. It's lightweight, oil-free, does not leave a white cast because it is, you guys, it does have a mineral base to it, but it also has chemical SPF. Blends naturally to match all skin tones, leaving a natural, healthy glow. As you guys can see, you can absolutely see like the freckles or the age spots, whatever you want to call them, on my hands. Still a little shine to it, but it's blending right in. It's quite sheer, you guys, not at all opaque. So honestly, it works really well on all skin tones. So the directions are to apply to the face and neck. You avoid your eye area. You don't want to get this in your eyes because it does have a chemical SPF in it. You wait 30 minutes before sun exposure, and that is because it is actually, it does have a chemical sunscreen component to it. Those require 30 minutes for your skin to absorb them and create that sun protection barrier. So let me quick get into the ingredients. The mineral sunscreen that is used is zinc oxide, and that is in 12%. And then the chemical sunscreen that is used for UVA protection is octinoxate at 7.5%, which is why you don't want to get this near your eyes, okay? Again, it's starting to really get absorbed in my skin. So still has a little bit of a shine, but you guys, I'm telling you, it is what a wonderful, wonderful moisturizer. So let's see here. Well, let me continue reading. It does protect against UVA and UVB, okay? The UVA protection, not only the zinc oxide, but also that added boost of the octinoxate, which is for UVA protection. Won't burn your eyes or sting your eyes. You still don't want to get it near your eyes. Doesn't have, you know, honestly, you guys, doesn't have that funky, like, at all weird sunscreen smell. To me, it just smells kind of like makeup. You can use this alone. You can also use this as a part of like a makeup routine. I actually do mix it in and I will often apply like a BB or a CC cream over it. So just so you guys are aware, let's go ahead and take a quick look at some more of the ingredients and see if I can call out like the really moisturizing ones. So we already talked about the sunscreen, like the zinc oxide, the octinoxate. So there's niacinamide in here. You guys, and I'm not a chemist, so I don't recognize all of this, but glycerin, sodium hyaluronate. So there's hyaluronic acid in here, okay? So sodium hyaluronate is just another name for what we know as hyaluronic acid. Let's see, there's some dimethicone in here, and a whole bunch of other stuff I can't pronounce, y'all. But honestly, you guys, like I said, I've been using this for at least 2, if not almost 3 years. Honestly, you guys, this is, If there is one product that I would ever take with me on a deserted island, one skincare, it would absolutely be this. I love this. You guys, every day I get up, I put this on before I even consider going outside. Doesn't matter if it's winter, doesn't matter if it's the weekend. I just get up. If I feel like washing my face or rinsing my face off, I do that. And then this goes right on because you guys, it helps keep my skin so soft. And it's an instant sunscreen. I can go outside. I don't even have to think about whether or not I need to apply sunscreen because literally is one of my first steps of the day. It's taken care of. So like I said, you guys, I feel so blessed to be on their PR program. I love this company, you guys. I've used some other products with you guys. You know, I've been using their pumpkin enzyme mask with you on Mask Monday Ladies. I've used it a couple of times. I am working on emptying out some of their other products that I am testing. And you guys, honestly, I haven't found one that I don't love. So great company, in my opinion. Y'all, this all comes out of, it's all made in the USA, which I think is really, really fantastic. So let me know what you guys think. I will definitely leave links below. So happy to get this in PR, and I can't wait to try this. I think this is going to be fantastic to break up, like I said, break up that SPF, get that to like kind of work up and get loose from your skin and just lift off so you get a really nice cleanse. So all right, you guys, thanks for listening to me. I really do appreciate it. I hope you check this company out, you guys, because honestly, I love them. I really do. I'm really, really impressed with their products. And I really don't say that about, a ton of stuff. So check them out. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you got questions. Would love to hear from you guys. Hope you're having a great week. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.